even though she's a little bit crazy. I love a challenging lady. I said